There's a little bird making a nest in Kate's treehouse, or Kate's little birdhouse he made. There he goes, he's flying in. He's gathering twigs and stuff. And back down he goes. And back up he goes. He must have dropped something. Looking for something really great for his new home. Back into the house he goes. That's so cute.
Took a twig in there about like that long.
Making a nest, he's gonna have a family.
Perfect.
Kate's job.
He's thinking, wow, a fountain and a house right next door to each other. Mulch at the bottom and little twigs and dog fur to make his little house nice.
Insulation.
There's plenty of dog fur out there. Where'd he go?
And then he's got his
Right there.
friendly squirrely neighbors. Squirrels haven't been over there, have they?
No, I need to put food in the car.
Jason, they could have died. They rely on that.
See if we get a close-up of the house. That way when he goes back in, maybe I
They
can...
got used to it. They thought it would always be there.
I've got plenty of food.
No, not really.
Gosh, if I could steady the camera.
I'm pretty steady.
She got your tripod. I don't know how tall it is.
Can I quietly open the door? See if we'll run away.
No.
He's getting a drink now.
Is he still on the fountain?
No, he just went down on the ground. There he goes.
That is so cute. Preparing his little place. Try to get in closer.
Got a big twig. Oh. It's like, how am I going to get that
Oh
in
my
there?
goodness.
Oh, I dropped it.
Aw. Oh, that's better. You got a piece that he could get in there. Just checking out, making sure there's no dogs. He is a busy bird.
He's got the big stick again, looks like. Oh.
He managed to get that one in there. Where'd he go?
There he is. This one in.
Oh, I got him. He's still on the ground.
He's on the fence now. Yeah, Robin's trying to chase him away.
After all that work he's done, somebody's going to try to get in there and take his house. Is that the one that's been doing all the work
Yeah.
with the red breast?
No.
The one getting a drink?
That's Robin. See, he's up there on the house now.
Oh, okay. Where'd he go?
He's on the gate. There he is, on the fence now.
Oh. Did he go in the house?
I think he's, there he goes. Yeah, he just went in.
You better stay there, little bird. Maybe the robin redbreast is just trying to get a drink. He was so busy until the robin got over there, interrupted his work. Come here. Come here, you can see what I see.
There's cardinals out there now.
Where are they at?
In the middle of the fence.
They're by the gate.
Should I go scare them off?
No.
Oh, look, he's got one at the big twig again. Oh, he got that one then.
Oh, I missed that.
he's hungry. He's getting a drink out of the water fountain.
That's not the same bird. That's a robin.
Look at him. Drinking.
I'm all over the place. Hold on.
Those birds are alcoholics.
Oh, I see him on top of the house.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe he's in for the night. Nope, apparently not. Are the cardinals still out there?
I don't see him now. Oh, there it is. On top of the fence.
Where at? I'm not seeing it.
It's on the fence now.
I'm not seeing.
Oh, he just flew up on the telephone line.
I think your next project needs to be a bird feeder.
Yeah.
The birds are busy tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing in the squirrel feeder.
I don't have any food in here right now. I have to fill it.
I could sit and stare at these birds for these people,
These
these birds. A fun Saturday night.
Bird watching.
I love to bird watch. I always feel like somebody's watching me. I get no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me.